Good morning, everybody. In the SQL chapter, that is Structured Query Language, in the previous class, we have completed the create command, which is the first command to create a table or index or view. Okay, with syntax and example that is already completed, and I have given you the home assignment also, and I hope that you are completed that home assignment. Okay, today let us continue. The next command is alter command. As the name itself indicate, alteration means changing. With the help of create command, a table can be created. Blank table, empty table can be created by specifying which columns are required. After creation of a table, if some changes are required, means if you want to add a new column, or if you want to delete an existed column, or if you want to change the data type of the existed column, if you want to change the field width of the existed column, then the alter command is required. Okay, I will write the general syntax first, the syntax of the alter command. Okay, here alter is the command name. Okay, write alter in capital letters for the readability purpose. Okay, then write which object you are creating. You are creating a table, so write a table. Okay, which table you are altering, that you have to write. Okay, table name you have to write. Okay, only in the syntax we are using less than and greater than symbol. Okay, while writing the queries we are not using that. In the next line, okay, there are three versions of alter command. First one is add. Okay, if you want to add a new column, go for add. Or, okay, I will write the slash means or. Okay, modify means changing. Okay, or drop. Okay, drop means deleting. Within the bracket, right, attribute name. Okay, attribute means column. Okay, attribute name. Okay, leave a space. Okay, here only you have to continue. Okay, attribute name, data type, data type within the bracket, size. Right, this is how we have to write. Semicolon at the end. This bracket we have to close here, another bracket, this bracket we are closed, and semicolon. Okay, alter table name, add or modify or drop within the bracket, alter name space data type comma size. Okay, let us write three examples, one for adding the column, another for modifying the column, and third for dropping the column. Okay, first example, in the student table I want to add a column email id. Okay, for that the query required is, okay, alter is the command name. Okay, we are altering the table, so write a table. Okay, then which table we are altering or modifying, that is student. Okay, write a student. Okay, next line, we are adding a column. Okay, write add, open the bracket, modify, drop, they are not required. Add version is required here. Open the bracket, which column we are adding, that we have to write. For example, email id we have to add, write email underscore id, that belongs to the character data type, write char, within the bracket maximum number of characters, say 20, write 20, close another bracket, semicolon. Okay, this query is required to add a column or insert a column to the existed table student. Okay, now I will write another query to drop a column. Okay, to drop a column phone number from the employee table. Okay, to drop a column means again we have to write alter. It is the type of alteration only. Alter table name. Okay, alter table employee. Okay, table name is employee now. Okay, we are deleting a column, so write a drop. Okay, drop version is required. Phone number I want to drop, so write phone number. Okay, which column you want to drop, that you have to draw. uh, 1 minute. Okay, here some change is required. Okay, which column you want to drop, that you have to write. And here in this syntax, one keyword we have to use, that is column. Okay, while adding the column you have to write which data type. While deleting the column it is not required, just you have to specify which column you have to drop. Okay, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದರ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪು ಸೈಜು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ phone number, like this you have to write. Okay, only in case of dropping the syntax is little bit different. Okay, what you have to write is alter table employee drop column phone number. Okay, if you write like this then the column phone number is deleted. Okay, now another version, modify version, we are not right till now, isn't it? So we have to go for example number 3 now. Here only I will write the example number 3. Okay, so what we have to do is say example number 3 for modification. So what you have to write is alter table. Okay, table name. Okay, for example I want to alter student table only. Okay, changing the data type of registration number from say integer to ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಕಮಾಂಡಿನ modify ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ modify. Okay, this is the third example. Okay, after drop I will write this. Okay, say modify within the bracket. Okay, which column you are modifying, that you can write, no problem. The modify within the bracket which column, that is registration number, say reg underscore no. Okay, the final ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಸೇ 15. ಓಕೆ, close the bracket semicolon. Okay, if you write this query, what happens now, the registration number now it is changed to the character 15. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ನಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಟೈಪಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊಡಿಫೈಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ 12. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 12 ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 12 ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಿಡ್ತನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ವಿಡ್ತನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಮಾಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ modify. What we are doing here, we are modifying the length of student name from 12 to say 20. Okay, what you have to do is modify which column we are modifying, that we have to write. Okay, yes, name column we are modifying, which data type it belongs to character. Now final width is 20. ಓಕೆ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಇದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ modify ಎಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 20, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ semicolon. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. These are the examples for which command, the alter command. Okay, so I think I write 4 examples now. Okay, not 3, 4 examples are completed. One for adding the column, another for deleting the column. In modification, okay, in modification there are 2 types, one for modification of the data type, another is modification of the field width. Okay, all for all of these type of task. Okay, alter command and 3 versions of alter command, add, modify and drop are required. Okay, this is about alter command. Okay, next another command is there, that is drop command. Okay, drop command, and syntax of the drop command I will write with examples. Okay, yes. Okay, now The third command of DDL, important command, another one is drop command. The purpose of drop command is to delete the complete table structure. The complete table structure or table is deleted from the memory. For that reason, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ, isn't it? Drop is the command. You write a drop, then which object you are deleting, table. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸೋ, ವ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಮಿಕೋಲನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಡ್ರಾಪ್, write it as it is, table, okay, student. Then student table is deleted from the database or computer memory. Drop table student, drop table employee, drop table product. Like this you have to write. This completes the DDL commands in the structured query language. Okay, actually these are basic commands. From the next class, okay, we have to write some complex commands of DML such as insert, select. Okay, number of DML commands are there. We have to write that. Okay, from the we have to discuss from the next class. Okay, and some you have to try in the home also. Okay, if you are not coming to the class, offline class, in the home you have to write. If I write one example by taking the example of employee table and product table, the same type of queries you have to write, then only you understand. Okay, because this inevitable situation, it is not possible to conduct the practical classes, so you have to write the queries at least in your home. Okay, by taking your own examples, employee table, taking some columns, product table. Okay, in the product table, product ID, product name, quantity, price, date of manufacturing, date of expiry. Okay, in the employee table, employee ID, employee name, designation, department, company name, salary. By taking different columns and writing these type of queries, write the queries for alteration as well as deletion. Okay, yes, thank you. In the next class, let us write the DML queries.